Hello and welcome to our latest tech update. Motorola is making waves with their latest smartphones, and we've got all the details you need. For those who were disappointed with previous models, the 2023 Moto Edge is a significant upgrade. The new phone boasts a smoother 165Hz 6.7-inch OLED screen, a speedier Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chip, and a larger 5100 mAh battery. Plus, the 2-megapixel depth sensor has been replaced with a useful 12MP 2x telephoto camera, and the 60MP front sensor promises detailed selfies. But the upgrades don't stop there. The Moto Edge has 8 GB of RAM, 256 GB or 512 GB of non-expandable storage, 68W fast wired charging, 15W wireless charging, and 5W wireless power sharing. And the best part, Motorola is promising better update support than in the past, with 3 years of OS upgrades and 4 years of bi-monthly security fixes. And the price is a major selling point. At just $800, the Moto Edge is a relative bargain for a big screen phone with modern specs. But if cost matters more than raw power, the 2023 editions of the Moto G5G and Moto G Stylus may be more your style. Both have 6.5-inch 720p displays and come equipped with either a Helio G85 or a Snapdragon 480 with 4 GB of RAM. The Moto G Stylus ships May 5th for $200, and the Moto G5G debuts May 25th for $250. So whether you're looking for top-of-the-line specs or a more budget-friendly option, Motorola has something for you. Don't forget to check out the Moto Edge, available May 25th at Amazon, Best Buy, and Motorola. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.